One of the best ways to connect with the community and meet new people is through community service. A lot of the organizations that I have volunteered for have benefited me as I was growing up. Students that are trying to learn, they're worried about being hungry. How are they going to learn the right way? So with Hands On Hartford, they specifically have a program for students that give them a backpack at the end of the week so that they have meals throughout the weekend. Many of the students that are going to schools right in Hartford, their only meal might be coming through school. My involvement in Junior Achievement has lasted many, many years. When I was just volunteering to help out in classrooms in activities like Junior Achievement in a Day, you learn to interact with different viewpoints that will help you with your personal bias. And it's empowering, it feels good, and I know that we're doing good back in the community. I'm really proud to be part of an organization that focuses in on the community the way that Travelers does.